Hello and welcome to Ganesh Institute channel. My name is Divya Gautam. Today's topic is synthetic division. So let's begin. The question is already given on your screen. So for solving this by synthetic division, we have to first of all find the zeros of this equation. So let's try the hit and trial method. First of all, we will put the value of 1, plus 1, then minus 1, then plus 2, minus 2, then plus 3, minus 3, then plus 4, minus 4, okay, etc. We can solve it by using a trick also. The trick is that, first of all, we have to find the factors of the constant digit. The factors should be in such a manner so as they are prime with respect to each other. So we will write down here the factors should be 3 and 8. 8 3s are 24. Okay, I hope you got it. So the next step is that whatever coefficient of the highest power of x, we have to divide these two factors with it. Okay, we will divide it by 2. Here we get 4 and the another factor is 3 by 2. For solving any equation through synthetic division method, we have to make a statistic graph like this. The first factor, which is 4, we will write down here 4. Let me clear it. So here is 4. Then we will write down the coefficient of x cube here, x square here, x coefficient is minus 10 and the constant is 24. The first step is that we have to write down 2 as it is. Then we will product 4 with 2, which gives us 8 value. Then we will add these two numbers. What we will get? 1. Then we will multiply this number with 4 again. 1. If we multiply 1 into 4, then we will get 4. Add these two numbers, we will get minus 6. Then multiply this number with minus 6, we will get minus 24. And after adding these two numbers, we will get 0 value, which is our remainder. And then the next step is we should write down here C. That means minus 6 is a constant value, 1 is the coefficient of x, 2 is the coefficient of x square. Now just adding all of these, 2x square gives you 2x square plus x plus the coefficient is minus 6. Okay, we can write down like this. I hope you got it. So the next further step is, whatever the question given, we will write it again, and then we will write the first solution of the equation, which we have already find out, which is 4. Then this value we will write here. Now we need to factorize it. We can factorize it like this. And find the solution, which is x minus 4, 2x minus 1 minus 3 and x plus 2. We can solve this equation by using trick also. First of all, we need to multiply this number with 6, the constant, which gives us 12. Then factorize it again in the same way so as both the values, both the factors should be prime with respect to each other. So we will write here 3 and 4. Then divide it, the coefficient with the maximum power of x. Who have the maximum power of x, that is x square's coefficient is 2. So we will divide it by 2. And these are two factors. But now we need to find out, is the sign of both of the factor are correct? So how we can find out? We know here the sign is minus. That means one of them should be minus and plus. So the product of these two factors gives us minus. And here the sign is plus, which means that the bigger value should have the opposite sign, which is here. Here the sign is plus, then we will write down the value, the sign here minus. Okay, minus. So these are two solutions. We can find out by this method or by this trick also. So these all are the factors. So the if we need to find out the value of x, what we can do is we can simply make x minus 4 equals to 0. The value of x is 4. If the second factor, which is 2x minus 3, tends to 0, then x value is 3 by 2. And the last is x plus 2 equals to 0, then we will get the value of x minus 2. So this is the end of our lecture. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share our video. Thank you for watching our video.